Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've got some dates for you to write down. There is so much going on in October, and I wanted to make you aware of what's going on our channel, the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I also wanted to show off my new little Wednesday Addams outfit for my Blythe. I'm going to show you this first. I took a Barbie simplicity pattern. I made, well, several tweaks and made this little mermaid. These were real popular, what was it, 30s? Or they were popular in the 40s, but I think in the 30s, the nightclub singers were wearing these dresses, and they were tight. Morticia Addams had a dress like this with octopus, what do you call them, tentacles, at the bottom. And did you know, little trivia, they actually sewed that dress on her every day, and when she had to go to the bathroom, it was a big deal on set. Grab a pencil. We want to make you aware that you are invited to participate in some challenges on our channel. And for the last 2 years, we've been doing something called Tiny Witches. And what that is taking dolls that are 8 inches, I said 10 also, so say 10 inches and smaller, the neglected dolls, the dolls we rarely see you show, and dress them up as a witch. Doesn't have to be fancy. You can lay them on black fabric, cut out a dress around them, sew it up the sleeves and down, and there you go. You've got a little witch. Make a little hat and call it good. We just want you to participate. It's fun. It's so much fun to see what others do. We're also, because the Tiny Witch was so popular the last couple years, we're adding tall witches, and that is dolls that are 14 inches and taller. And the reason we're going 10 inches and down and 14 inches and up is because the most common dolls we see on videos on YouTube are in that 12-inch size. So this is pushing you to, do something a little different. On the 31st, Darren and I would like to invite you to our trick or treat video. And what that is not each year, we didn't do it the last year, but if you will send us a short clip, 10-15 seconds of your doll in a trick or treat situation, and send it, just a video showing a little motion. You can just move the camera a little bit. Don't talk unless you're just saying trick or treat. Don't add any words, don't put your channel name or anything in there. Darren's going to add all the channel names and the same music throughout. Don't have music, nothing in the background like that, so that it's all the same and it makes a cute little flowing trick or treat, and then we'll all sit down and watch one another's dolls trick or treat. It's fun. I also want to remind you that Dory's Dollies and I, each month on the 3rd of the month, do a Maya Rain Day. A Maya Rain Day is any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. We give a theme. October, I can tell you, it's going to be orange. Orange is the theme. However you want to do that. You can set a doll down on or in a pumpkin if you like. Anything orange. You can use any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. Does not have to be a Maya Rain. Then on the 16th every month, Dory and I do Dolls Gone Goth. We are not the goth police. You can do that any way you want. It's just to get together, to get to know one another a little better, and to see one another's videos. It's just fun. On the 18th, we do Hi Barbie. When I say we, I mean Dory's Dollies and I. And Hi Barbie is any Barbie from 38-inch to the world's tiniest, anything you want to use. I'm not giving you the theme for October on the Barbie and Dolls Gone Goth because we have not announced that. Dory and I will announce that on the 9th of each month. On our channel coming up this month, I don't want you to miss it. We have some really fun things. That's my dog. I have 3 makeovers, taking a doll, redoing their face, dressing them up, and one is, you're not going to want to miss the one on October 30th. That's Darren and I. For the last 3 years, we have tried to do a collab with one another, a fun little makeover on a Blythe. You are not going to want to miss that. Plus, we're going to need your votes. We're going to have you vote who did it better. Plus the fact it's something I've not seen anyone else do. I don't think I've seen it even outside of YouTube. Just something a little different that's going to be fun. And Darren and I are going to a Ren Fair in October, and we'll be filming that too. So a lot is coming up. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.